Also, your strength is not determined by how hard you hit, but it is about how hard you get hit and keep moving forward. What I say? Aha. Enti your guest no. By wedding komo. Obi Trice.
Chairman Kankam.
And then your special guest.
Yeah. May try your guest.
Yes. I'm sure that everybody will be fascinated by his story.
Absolutely.
How good and your man Adum. Because life is about having second chances.
Absolutely.
Now when you another chance now, or making it good. Or another club.
Absolutely.
And it's hard in and emu ansem. Now, under 23 for no. Omu go where we are.
Okay.
Now, Hearts of Oak talk about for the Epoli blocks on the two players. Player Bagupe and Hearts of Oak happiness onko. Goalkeeper Richmond I.
Okay.
Hearts of Oak happiness on your mufanenko.
Okay.
Now, other players go ha enyadia Hearts of Oak play. Unse Salifu Ibrahim. Hearts of Oak players who mbesa me Salifu Ibrahim nanka onu kubi and another player Banye a free Banye na reports in say to for that friend man team say omo kon say ska enebia entice them say oh can national team there anya akwa benya kakra go we see no bonus for players no be more per diems or just say per diem obi abenya more than $1,000 it's a friend brand team no mo be $1,000 say mo nko omo try ya the other book ama Richard Free Banye any Salif Ibrahim akechiri.
Okay,
the team is going without them.
Chairman Nukra on is Black Meteors there Yenja or Masem because the Omoko Akwa exercise in futility in Fasobia so they are just going to waste our time and resources. Yanka Siki Akuno. Siki Akuno aton mine any monyamnia. Oh yes.
Tobas, are the Tobas, Memo Basso, Tobas.
Chairman, in that dear Black Meteors there.
Oh, the Tobas,
yeah. Crowd, we shall be adding saying, Parkwesi Fabian, and no say free titimbre mu from Ibrahim Tanko mreso nyina Black Meteor squad e ya near dia bro now they are ejuma mo call ball friendly Azerbaijan I know rumors by so ma ton match no 2-1 sa rumors na pampa na results na ba 2-1 dia ma ye pam Ibrahim Tanko ni say onu complaining say nyon na ye squad no nti omo di akire call Uzbekistan friendly no omo de animguase na bre o man Azerbaijan na Uzbekistan mbako omo share 2-1 and o masaya the same squad ama pa kwesi Fabian so onfanko nti Black Meteors there chairman ija omo nko because nkwala na ho no ye beba akobo Olympic Games in 2024 no not 90% below the age of 23 into we are wasting our own time and resources on the Black Meteors
and their teams na yanokra I should tell them that Yabo League people are paying players your league nobody squad of us modi omo go 2 friendly games
yes
almost 2 weeks
yes and I mean
I applaud to
no serious football club all pre Ghana Premier League
so you see Mubarak
no players who you serious club who you serious club Asante Kotoma Ibrahim Moro koye okay. So you're serious club now Nimsenia Ghana Football Association in your city. Oh my player and course under 23 game way. Unless a league no one no also the baba ya the obey no apeskabia to actually. But the chairman the CK akuno ayeno. Waton Ghana ni monyam.
Adentinagaza.
Ya pam coach Kwesi Piano. Our man penyin cast up Ghana ni and the deep Black Stars and no. One of the most obvious choices to replace Kwesi Appiah was Maxwell Kunadu and coach Ibrahim Tanko. But of course, FA na mu ni minister there no mo fili emrante ni mienu. So omo to sun tonto no uni ehun say okra no hu ni asem bebre why a captain of the Black Stars ne hu nyoma into the Black Stars na sha unsem. Also Black Stars ni mo no na so unu apanyi David Duncan. Omra no meboa na be assistant coach ono my assistant coach no mo na Ghana almost 40 years I ain't to mean African Cup of Nations no yankwaje yakoye ni mu kakra COVID-19 mu nya adwuma bia na so abayama musika yetua mu kakama wo coach CK Akuno say won wa recommend say yemfa broni mra say enukro say nyenukro obi anim say Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association no matena say who say no am catch us say coach CK Akono is a goner just o ma pam no oni trim o trim make Executive Council no nti de be ni say ye be sheda no wo be create bibi no I say ode broni bi ba broni a na brabo mu nyina wa assistant coach sa say assistant coach ben so oye physical trainer so oye goalkeeper trainer obi anim now coach CK Akono what now am a appointment we abaso who nim say djuma na wo benya ye no Ghana for na ka say yem pese broni bi besi kroma abe manage football and now one kasa union license coaches wo mem ha obi ani wo say fata so be assistant coach of the Black Stars wakofa broni so mra no me assistant. In effect, you are telling us, say, who seek Akono no, Ejumana Munu, so why are you there earning that $30,000? You try $30,000, $35,000 as the head coach of the Black Stars. Ejumano afraid ya uwa jatum say only Duncan into me Ejumano in Tianko for Bronimra. And now no pay me expect to say the Ghana Coaches Association, another Coaches Association of Ghana. This statement, beba enche statement neba. Say ombe rejected. Of course, the disrespect for Ghanaian coaches no afraid ye a drum pen swa ye tumi nyintumu biom. Technical director Bernard Lepre mumi encheke bebi a waye adwuma. Lepre bebi a waye adwuma Azerbaijan. Onye head coach for bebi ada. Yakofa no say Ghana football on the meheso from B soccer to under 17, under 20, under 23 Black Stars. Benjamin Ben Lepre. Ni akofano so me. No wasa akofa broni we ya since 2014 on ya adwuma. CK Akono enra Black Stars camp fun tuatua na so. En on na pressure ba de so. Onye serious. We go yanimu ase. We go se sia no ni dia FF no ye. Omo ko mampanyin aso ya akoka cho mampanyin se. O mampanyin oso yemfa yenua Ghana ni en enye Black Stars head coach. Yenua no afedi ono say ni nua no oni omu ye adwuma no omu ntumi muwa no nti enkofa broni mra ya di broni na ba esanse ono na recommend broni nti no ono amu yetu no Executive Council for no our evidence so who seek Akono is rumored so no only agency be if you were declare wo mutrim dada eno me can story ni chiro am pam seek Akono agiatum say broni no maboa no anopai the American say CK Akono ni papa mu say obeje adwuma na to because it's evident say Black Stars adwuma no untumi nya wa Ghana for nyani mu as CK Akono Ghana coaches nya wa guma omanimu ase wakofa broni we nti say no David Duncan o ya ne dan na Black Stars Management Committee and Executive Council look say Ghana ni and to me manage your Black Stars now. How can you tell me say Ghana ni bet me a management committee member? How can you tell me say Ghana for bet me abobo no? Ya yempeska ni ankofa Kelvin De Bruyne anom ani N'Golo Kante nom no mebo Black Stars ni my hey I'm telling you na say yeti yentumi nya hwe ket years okreku ni Black Stars management omonko Man City ni Barca enko prepare administrative managers no meboa and some yetumi Cup of Nations no this is a comic story and of course for Ghana football a comic nim guasesem say boyen I say guyenimu ase and chairman any say CK Akono go a cost free the why no as a former captain of the Black Stars or you go down in the history as the worst Black Star coach CK Akono we guyenimu ase and eneno mini CK Akono mini no be kapa.
Well, I tell for Obi tries. I don't know. Coach Jay Sapon so akasa dia fa hon say oye extremely disappointed. Say CK Akono say ono na recommend say ope coach or assistant coach Brunia. Coach Jay Sapon say ne wadwiri no.
Chairman, the man let anybody say CK Akono recommended no.
Almost stressing on the
yes, say the woman saying come. Inti ono or tiona or Jini pay no kakra so didi one because ono and your family that CK there.
But I thought let's give him a chance. na onye adwuma
a chance ben say chance ben biom na o ye pharmacy
make us say ba so mbepam no o say nyine ka say let's give
pam na ye pam no it is rumored say en tactics asem jirigogo na jirigogo we Ghana for wow nim Ghana for jirigogo oba betina akonya ne so no de nioma ye na rumor na nioma na executive council for years omo pam no into omo de we na hye ne kon say e wo so chinchini a ogitum wanye antumu a wan hwa ne e woni konsa and to be very frank with you the CK Akono aye no ebu a efrani buo Ghanaian coaches omunya 1% impo. He's caused great embarrassment to the country's football. And then me assure so mampanyi ati CK Akono ne nyoma na waye na obeka say e ba ne sign na me ka say Ghana ni Medigal Black Stars name.
So now the question and I said Emro decided to op a foreign coach as an assistant. Then no na make us a whole trap. Onu amu ye pena pam no because and just no ma bi wa chire a omo pena pam no dada. Inti yen fa bibi en to ni kom. CK Akono cannot tell us say yes of course he can say so Brony way CK Akono so o ka che na mfufo say Brony nya na recommend no. Sir. Oh. Asamo o kanu no. Asamo na ma o ka no say nya na recommend Brony no. Na nya na recommend Brony na o ne ba be ya dwa be na ya dwa. Uso nim Brony ni wo ba bia. CK Akono unim Brony we wo ba bia. CK Akono guye ni mu ase. And I feel sad. A coach will handle Asante Kotoko, will handle Ash Gold, will handle Hearts of Oak. Just unya kukudro bakukra. CK Akono. Ghana for trail. Obako Cup of Nations no. Yansu or mema. You heard you bet me ayabuao. But in the last 24 48 hours, the CK Akono ayawa Ghana football nim no. Nidino. You be jaibo na che because odi anim guasie pa na breye. Well, as I say there me hu come enje ko jay sapon. Nen sama waka regards to sasem way about coach CK Akono. Akwa if I don't so na recommend say yes if I do my two names kra and already no we choose one say ono na MBA assistant. But me say almost say away na second assistant. The appointment of a second assistant coach to strengthen the technical team of the Black Stars.
And I recommend say you go for assistant Brenna, Ayebonia, and I didn't know how. The fact that you were having a cafe, and then one day I buy my CK, or assistant ma a Kojapia, or Kepus. Now who they wear CK now. Ghana for so Kojapia Kopra, CK Betia, man, and that's all. And the Ghana Hano, you need coach Bia, or one of the guessing, Brenna Kopana. And I said, what is it about? Because who Ghana coaches for a photo. Nanado, head of state, I say, one expert coach for Ghana, young for the beginning, and then Manamo. And now never call the comment say, I don't think CK recommended, and I'm not sure. Because for Esama, it's a staff in the back of Ghana coaches. But of course, like I'm saying, I don't believe that CK the guy. That's CK has been in the but when the days come, we'll know where the truth lies. And I make us say, CK has recommendation there. But you know why others say, CK, you know, when you are going or recommending, or don't bring no. I don't think you
No, Obusa question bio. Ose CK Akono ehin no ko ya ko ya dwuma ohia Brony. Na onim no wan.
Brony ni dear chairman. Executive Council for Bekacho say CK Akono na recommend no. No kwe ho no say Executive Council led by ES Okreku anom di Brony naba. Nanso CK Akono ntumi njaye adwuma no. CK ni pay na oje no opese odi ni nkakra akra. Oh, chairman, asema me catch nyese bosremuka.
Okay.
CK Akono na bie na no akeka kan same way. Oh yes. And also on to mean deny CK on to mean deny some way American. Intia was here di bi chichire ne kon. No no so ye din no tena ho no ye adwuma no didi kakra. Eye bread and butter issues. And this CK Akono enim guasie bi say abre Ghana football. Now me train Ghana Coaches Association on statement no. Anyway, how they respond. Black Stars, CK Akono, uhia Brony, and son what me aye adwuma no. and you only David Duncan Muninano, the Papa Muno, and was some kind of Payamuniam resign. You are not competent coaches. Munyadia Sika Kuno, and David Duncan, Munyadia into Bronino and Amamo, and I'm very sad. Omra Bobo Nya of Wolfsburg Bayas Anticoto, when you name taxes bia. Say Black Stars, to me handle Black Stars. Andre the day you to me nya taxes bia mad the Denny Patemu, to me nya, just say Brony Samba. Now there how many say FF1 no, Omo boys no, Goro boys no, Omo say Brony no bano on GP. Na sabio we no no asembe na ka kire
obeje pay dem any bonuses
amompa omo team we won chairman common sense is not common for common people they met me aka no mamu didi Ghana for atembium mo fa ne say Ghana for so ya gain kakra ya you say what do you mean by yentia broninika? Now I expect to say many budget say Brony no banu ntuaneka na me magiatum. No. Afcon idea. Mupa yenyaiko. $25 million no. Mupa yenyaiko because there's absolutely no way the Black Stars of Ghana ebetumi ajikuru ano. We are wasting our resources. And the man who's led all of this embarrassment, I coach CK Akuno. Near him say, oh, why are Juma Waman on it? Why Black Wolfsburg, the first black man to be a captain? Yet him say, oh, CK no, I don't think ye dear Juma money na a man for yes and no, a pop and in a Juma non to me yet. I find Matthias here, he has no balls. He should not be called a boss. He's a timid man, very timid, with no tactics. Ode wakofa broni yadi broni asha okon se one out the broni ni bayo afedie unuanom Ghana fo a omampanyin gina omanamu e ka se enisa yadi broni bia mba wa say sa nyoma ni nyina. And you see sa policy no omampanyin ka se enisa kofa broni no eno na de wo sika akono e du dru pempen so awadru no wo dru sro wa unuanom nyina na watwa magu including Nipa na ususu se obetumi about David Duncan. There's so much I can tell you because there was technical team in play you know and they are work a na back camp and no say ka kuno ntumi ka se obi ahon and on na na mo sa no ye course ohun anu a she dem ya ne phone so not the phone na channel so no atwam obeko Cup of Nations na ba and chairman so your pam CK kuno amane nya honwa they set it right o man set it be bia for his sack but omusro say hey your pam CK then a Ghana for Beka and it's my share yes our stories no CK Akuno is the most disappointing Black Star coach in the history of Ghana.
Well, that's it. Me same appointment never bano. So now okay. I say every one the Serbian coaches within the core. And on Mampenika say or no dear as long as he is president, a Ghanaian should coach the Black Stars because for Serbian predators I'm a mono. I had in ground no Ghana ni na or no every president no Ghana ni. And then about coaching the same go fa Bruni Bay. I said no more yeah mom can send the CK Akuno because that time on na be Kwesi Appiah assistant.
Yeah.
I'm here so on.
Yeah.
And on a sama coaches ni be as omura ho kakra.
Absolutely.
And utie Koje Isapon. Owi e check out the trousers or say nipa nyankora wo.
Yeah.
Or say me nim nipa nyankora ne bem sana. Some statement no over say pregnant with a lot
of chairman in some Black Star camp. CK Akuno na mu executive council members to me friend no. He's lost the respect. Black Star coach and Nimonyamwa at the brown CK Akuno wa Tony Dianina only buo baako kra. Executive council members to me friend no. Aye masa masendo player o no cut line no. Na wo CK Akuno ka wa when pempenso a wadri ka respect wo intact. Anka executive council member bi betumi afro. O ma fa ne sebio just atadi film bi da form e dey paper form. And omude ne nam sa na omu yusu no sa wakofa broni we or assistant assistant adwuma be na oye broni a why assistant coach be for 25 years assistant samumi say assistant na assistant ben so on the coach ne bag o so on ye den obi ani no makofa na ba na CK Akuno no that man chairman That man should be serious.
But me point ye seek a corner a recommendation. Panyin for the football ashamansa. You should ask these questions. Unim why? Oya why? I then on now so panel. You know, and when I'm no so ya again say, Omono kura no mo poma dia dada. Because I know said that coach, even no go for Bernard Lepre to buy. Bernard Lepre, coach Bashir Ford. Now he also channel. Oh, coach Prof Minta, better CV than him. Yo, Malik Jaber, Omunina, yes, some of the Omunina technical directors. I'll make sure how to run under 17, under 15, under 1. And you have a Bernard Lepre taba. And no. I do answer 1 under 12 under 14. A course. Or channel, I got tonight. A mamma be a child baby. Or in Chroma, no, did order or Yajumabia. No, maybe say, I didn't know to me appreciate your own. Sir, and the technical director, I got Bruni. Now, assistant coach, media, me maintain everyone said seeking a recommendation.
Chama, okay, say, can. Now you have Bruni head coach and you have assistant Bibini.
Is it your turn?
Your turn.
Is it Bibini?
Yeah, I don't say Bibini no your head coach no or no one will be a quino.
The same thing. Oh, yeah. How many say? I don't know, but Kosika kono ebianka or history muka krebi even on our continent. Now how many coaches are ya former because me coming kakwa something siasia. They the same thing. Ya the Nigeria team man go for France in the bill say in the so many assistant. And a Nigeria from Nigeria from Penasim bill. So Nigerians fought to have a local coach. Yeah. All local coach no buy also pe local coach. Ya there so say to try nenti. Local coach is try nenti to be Bruni. Now and they say ni go so oh. See the no media how make kakra say. You see he recommended. And it is explicit in the statement of the FA.
And he cannot deny it. You know, the problem, and some chairman, on to me, baby, unless a private discussion. No, I can't say, no, I saw you, but on to me, baby, because FA for Nan Casano, and I'm catching. And no more Mukra wo etiano. What I say, Jacob Nyapen, your friend say, your tongue or so. Sika akono.
Tego nyabe. What did you do?
David. So, Mika David. David Nia, the Mika David Nia penny. So, hey, sorry.
No, don't I know.
Come on, I'm not telling you anymore. Enti Afcon no. Yade Bruni na neko.
Okay. Well, Mount Prince, Edu Prince say, white man for president in Ghana, 2024. I don't know when the Sika Kono was rumored to have had, no, that's not good. Okay. Well, Mount say discussions, because I say, I don't understand Ghanaians. Come and see modern coaching courses abroad. You guys want to rely on pram coaches to develop Ghana football. Okay. No some message, you know. Also, we should start investigating and talking about the coaching courses in Ghana. This is the beginning of our problem. Ghana have quality players, but lacking. Okay, because I lost track of it. Well, me mandi some 10 minutes now. If you come on and na yamra na yembe come on. And so, I will so.